So I'm assuming the reason why you're here is because you are looking for an alternative towards using Udimi. And in just a short moment, I'm actually going to share with you a platform that I use to get myself fresh email opt-in leads like you would get on Udimi. All right. But before I do, in case you're someone who is still using Udimi, let me go ahead and help you out by sharing with you a method where I would get myself buyer traffic in 24 hours or less. All right, so let me go ahead and let me share it with you. So again, when I used to use Udimi back in the days, this was how I would go ahead and choose my buyers. All right, so the first thing you want to do, I recommend you sign in and log in into Udimi. Again, I'm assuming that if you're someone watching this video, you already have yourself a Udimi account. So again, this is a brand new interface platform, so things have changed a little bit. So now, this is what you would do. To get that fast traffic, you want to click here, make sure it says 24 hours, that's key. You want to leave this as 50 for now, leave it as is for now. And you want to leave this as is for now. I like to get my traffic from the US of A, but again, if you want to get traffic from all over the world, you can just leave this as is. But me, for what I'm trying to promote, I want traffic from the United States. All right, so I'm going to click that right over here. I'm going to leave this 3 as is. Now, normally I would leave this at about 50, but in this case, I'm actually going to keep this at 100% ratings. All right, and this right here is key. All right, so now what you want to do is you want to click on this right over here, and you want to have this set at 30%, not 50, not 10, but right in the middle at 30%. The reason for, you don't know how big the person's list is. You don't know if it's a new list. You don't know how old. You don't know how fresh their list is. So because of that reason, you want to leave this right over here at 30%. And now, I recommend you, if you want to get at least anywhere, you might probably say, well, again, it depends on what you're trying to promote. I don't know what you're trying to promote, but if you're trying to do anything, let's just say like a ClickBank offer, a JVSU for about under $100 to get yourself to about 1 or 3 sales, I recommend you put your visitors up to at least the least 200. 300 would be best. Again, I don't know what your budget is, but if you have a small budget, I recommend you at least do it at 200 visitors. And here is why. Because if you only have 50 to 100 visitors, it might not be enough data for you to get yourself that sale. The more clicks you have, the better chances you have of people opting in and making that sale. Make sense? All right. And now, as you can see, we have only 2 sellers, but take a look at this. If I click right over here now, and I move this up to 45 cents, we still got 2. We're going to click again, move it to 50 cents. Now we have 4 sellers that we can purchase our leads from. All right. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't like to spend any more than 70 cents per click. All right. That's just me. All right. So again, we're going to click over here, 50. We're going to bring it up to 55. We still got 4. We're going to bring it up to 60. We got 5. So we added 1 more buyer. And again, I'm just going to bring it up to 70 cents. And again, at 70 cents, we have 8 sellers. So these are the guys that I would go ahead and purchase traffic from if I want to get myself traffic in the next 24 hours. And if I want to get myself a 30% chance of having a buyer towards my type of offer. Hopefully this makes sense to you. Now, again, if you're looking for an alternative towards Udimi, this platform, which I'm going to share with you, is what I personally recommend. Why? Because I use it myself and I know for a fact that it works. Now, I'm going to leave the link, excuse me, below this video, so you will have access. So once you get to this page, I'm actually going to share with you what you will have. All right. So if you click on this right over here, you might have to log in. All right. So yes, you do. You have to log in and register, either one. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to a page that looks like this. Now, this will be your back office where you'll be able to purchase yourself your leads. Now, again, I'm going to click over here where it says leaderboards, and I'm going to show you that I actually personally use this platform. As you can see, I'm right over here. in the past 30 days, traffic supplier right here at number 2. All right, right over here. All right, so again, I personally use this platform. So once you've signed up, this is how you go about and you purchase yourself your leads. Now, again, I want to be very clear. Now, these are people who have already raised their hand saying that they want to be a part of your online marketing business. These are business marketing leads. What we did on this platform is simply this. Throughout Google's algorithm, we have the software that can detect people who type in keyword phrases such as how to get traffic to my website, how to make money online, how to create a sales funnel. So these type of people, again, who are looking for some type of business opportunity have already raised their hand by going onto platforms like Bing, platforms like Google, on Facebook, and typing in stuff like I just said, how to make money online and so forth. So now on this platform, we have captured all these email leads. So all you would have to do now is just purchase yourself these leads. How do you do so? Once you sign up, you get to this platform. You want to click where it says buy leads right over here. Let that load. And all you would have to do is just follow the steps. You want to watch this video. Then you want to click on where it says next step. Once you do that, again, you want to watch this second video right over here so you can see what package fits your budget best. Once you do that, you want to click where it says buy data, and you're going to be taken to this page. And as someone who was brand new, I always recommend you go for the cheapest package. Here's why. Not only will you get yourself 600 fresh email leads, but you will now have access to the back office, access to all of these stuff right over here that it shows you on the platform. But again, this is the reason why you want to purchase this right over here, because you will get yourself 600 fresh email leads that you can therefore either upload to, if you're using an autoresponder like either GetResponse or Aweber or MailChimp, or even if you don't have yourself an autoresponder, you can avoid that expense by now going back. Let's just go back, click over here and go back to the main page. I'm actually going to show you back on the main page. So again, once you sign up, you'll be on your dashboard, and all you would have to do is you want to click where it says right over here lead management, and you want to click on where it says broadcast, and you will therefore have yourself an option to upload those leads onto your platform and market directly to them right over here by typing in your subject line, how to make money online, whatever you want to type in. And then right over here, you will have access to your leads. Now, if you're promoting any type of offer like $25 1-up, advertising boost, and so forth, you can just choose your email leads. In another video, I'll actually show you, or you can actually go to my channel, and I actually have a video where I walk you through on how you can go ahead and do all of this stuff. All right. So again, this is really easy, guys. And I highly recommend you, again, if you're somebody brand new and you are looking for an alternative towards using Udimi. This is easy to use. And again, the key thing what I like about this platform is because these are people who are looking to make money online. That's it. So instead of you going to Udimi and having to use all of these guys who market the same offers to their list over and over and over and over again, probably have a burnt out list, you can get yourself fresh email opt-in leads of people who are looking to make money online. All right. So if this makes sense to you, again, I am going to leave the link below this video. Once you click on the link, it's going to look something like this, and all you would have to do is just fill it out. All right. Nothing to pay. There's nothing to buy. Just make sure it says in the bottom traffic supplier, so you know that you are in the right place. And once you sign up, you will therefore have access to these platforms where you can watch this lead generation training, which I highly recommend you do. Again, the information in this videos are of so much value. I mean, people pay thousands of dollars to get this information online. All right. And you can have it in your access on your, I should say, in your back office. All right. So again, this is Al, your website traffic supplier, and we will see you in the next video. If you like this video, comment below, ask any questions, like, comment, share. And until then, we will see you on the next video. Again, click the link below so you can now have access to this platform. All right. Until then, see you next time. Thanks.